The Tesla Model Y relies on a 12 volts battery to power essential auxiliary systems like lights, sensors, and the infotainment screen. Unlike the main battery pack, this 12 volt battery can degrade over time, typically lasting 2 to 5 years. Common symptoms of a failing 12 volt battery include warning lights, a sluggish touchscreen, loss of power steering, or a low battery alert on your dashboard. Replacing it promptly ensures your car operates correctly and prevents potential shutdowns. This video provides a step-by-step guide to safely replacing your Model Y's 12 volts battery. Unlike gasoline cars, the Model Y's 12 volt battery is not recharged by an engine. Instead, it's trickle charged by the main battery pack. As of 2025, Tesla Model Y vehicles, especially those built between 2020 and 2023, have experienced premature 12 volt battery failures. This prompted a voluntary recall. These issues can cause a loss of critical functions such as power steering and braking assist. Tesla has released software updates to better monitor battery health and streamlined replacement procedures. Newer 2024 Plus Model Ys have more robust batteries, reducing these failure rates. Before starting the 12 volt battery replacement in your Tesla Model Y, gather the necessary tools: gloves to protect your hands from electrical hazards, safety glasses to shield your eyes from potential sparks or debris, a wrench set specifically 8mm and 10mm sizes for loosening battery terminals, a multimeter to test voltage levels, and a battery charger to ensure the new battery is properly charged. Most importantly, prioritize safety throughout the process. Always disconnect the main battery first to prevent electrical shocks and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling battery acid fumes. Never tamper with high-voltage systems, as this could cause serious injury or damage. Consider wearing non-conductive gloves for added protection. If you are not comfortable performing this replacement yourself, seek professional service to ensure the job is done safely and correctly. The 12 volts battery is located under the hood, also known as the frunk, on the passenger side. Open the frunk and locate the access panel. Remove the panel by detaching any clips or fasteners holding it in place. This will expose the 12 volt battery and its terminals. Ensure the vehicle is completely powered off before proceeding. This ensures there is no current flowing when disconnecting terminals. Using your wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. Loosen the nut, securing the negative cable, and gently remove the cable from the terminal. Repeat this process for the positive terminal. Take care to avoid any sparks or short circuits. With both terminals disconnected, remove any retaining straps or brackets holding the battery in place. Once free, carefully lift the old battery out of the compartment, keeping it upright to avoid spillage. Place it in a safe location for proper disposal. Place the new 12 volt battery into the compartment, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Secure it with the retaining straps or brackets. Reconnect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut to secure the cable. Then reconnect the negative terminal, again tightening the nut. Ensure both connections are snug, but not over-tightened. Now that the new 12 volt battery is installed, it's time for the final steps to ensure everything is secure and functioning properly. First, replace the access panel in the frunk, making sure all clips and fasteners are securely fastened. Next, start the vehicle and carefully check the dashboard for any warning lights or error messages that might indicate a problem. Use a multimeter to verify the battery voltage. The reading should be 12.6 volts or higher when the battery is fully charged. Finally, verify that all vehicle systems are functioning correctly, including the lights, sensors, and infotainment system. If you encounter any issues during the replacement, double-check all connections for looseness or corrosion. Common problems include error codes from improper reconnection or power steering loss due to terminal issues. For complex problems, consult Tesla's service manual or a certified technician. The manual provides detailed diagnostics and wiring diagrams to avoid damaging the vehicle's systems. Automotive engineers recommend annual inspections of your 12 volt battery. Regular checks can prevent failures caused by heat buildup or natural aging, typically every 2 to 5 years. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a recycling center. Lead-acid batteries contain hazardous materials and should not be thrown in regular trash. Always check for Tesla recalls before attempting DIY repairs, as your vehicle may qualify for free service. Consider using a battery tender for maintenance to keep the battery charged and extend its lifespan. By following these steps and expert advice, you can confidently replace your Tesla Model Y's 12-volt battery, ensuring its continued reliable operation. Prioritize safety and professional help when in doubt.